Hello and welcome to Froggity Frog Crochet and this stitch guide on how to crochet the raspberry stitch. This is a really nice stitch, but it is all single crochet, so it is a slow one to make. So to start this stitch, you're going to need a foundation chain in multiples of 2 plus 1 plus 1 for your turning chain. So to start our raspberry stitch, we're going to be making a single crochet in the third chain from our hook. So I always try and make my turning chain count as my first stitch, so I'm just going to put a stitch marker into what was our first chain from our hook. So that turning chain counts as our first single crochet, and what we've just made is our second stitch of the row. And then you're going to make a single crochet in every stitch across. So row 1 is just all single crochet. Oops. And there we go. So single crochet in each stitch across for row 1. Then we're going to turn and chain 1, and then make a single crochet in the first stitch. And this counts as the first stitch of the row. The next stitch is a front post single crochet. Now front post for single crochet is just awkward. You're basically going through from this side through to this side. It feels like you're just going around the loops because there isn't really a post for a single crochet. So it just goes through like that. So you're essentially going into the same space that you made your last stitch and pushing through to the other side. And I just try and make sure I bring my yarn down so it's kind of in between the loops there and the next part of the stitch there. So I'll just do that again. So I'm trying to just bring my yarn down so it sits there. Then yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull up a loop. So it's just a single crochet made around that front post. Then in the next stitch, which is here, we make a single crochet and repeat that all the way across. So single crochet, next stitch is a front post single crochet, then the next stitch is a single crochet. So front post single crochet, so you are going into the same space that you made your last stitch, which is here. Push through to the other side. Just bring that yarn down. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Just pull up a little bit so that it's going to sit level with your single crochet. And finish as a regular single crochet. So you see the front posts are forward a bit and the single crochets just sit slightly back. Okay, and so you repeat that across the row until you have 2 stitches left. Okay, so I've just made a single crochet. I have 2 stitches left. My next one will be a front post single crochet. Ooh, I did a yarn over. Try that again. Front post single crochet. And then single crochet in the last stitch of the row. And that's row 2. So you need to start and end with a single crochet, and then it's front post single crochet all the way across. So now I'm going to turn and chain 1. Okay, so row 3, we're going to make a single crochet in the first stitch of the row. I'll just move my stitch marker up. And then I'm going to make a single crochet in the next stitch as well. So in the next stitch I'm going to make a front post single crochet. So this should be going around a single crochet in the row below. So if I just turn it round, so from that was a single crochet, there's the front post single crochet, and I've just made a front post single crochet around a single crochet in the row below. So this is making sure everything's alternated. So my next stitch is a single crochet, which we made into the front post single crochet in the row below, and then my next stitch, front post single crochet. So we're making the same stitches in the row below, it's just that everything's moved over one. And front post single crochet. You're going to keep doing that until you have 2 stitches left. Okay. And then make a single crochet in each of the last 2 stitches. So if I just turn it over, everything is just moved over slightly from the row below. And that's row 3. So for the rest of the raspberry stitch, you repeat rows 2 and 3 until you have as many rows as you need.
And there is your stitch guide on how to crochet the raspberry stitch. I would love to see what you make with this pretty stitch. Please do come and show us over in our Facebook group, Froggity Frogs Ribbit and Stitch. The link is beneath the video. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel as well for more crochet stitches, crochet hints and tips and patterns as well. So thank you for watching, and I shall see you next time in the next video. Bye for now.